Former administration police officer Eric Musila has been acquitted of the murder of popular Kalenjin musician Diana Chelele by the High Court in Naivasha after 3 years. High Court Judge Richard Mwongo pointed an accusing finger at the prosecution, saying it did not provide accurate evidence. Musila had denied killing the deceased Chelele on the 7th of January 2016 in Kapkwen in Bomet County. Judge Mwongo says the prosecution had failed to prove that the accused was at the scene of the murder, with 2 prosecution witnesses issuing contradicting statements. However, the family of the deceased maintains that they are disappointed in the ruling, as they are still yearning for justice for their sister's death. The former police officer did not, however, walk free, as he has been found guilty of murdering an Eldoret-based surveyor Eliud Kipchirchir in 2012 by shooting him in the head.
He became her boyfriend and they began living together. A person who of malice aforethought causes death of another person by an unlawful act or omission is guilty of murder. Thus, to successfully obtain a guilty verdict in a murder charge, the prosecution is required to tender proof beyond reasonable doubt of the following 3 crucial ingredients. A, that the death of the victim occurred, that is the actus reus; that the death was caused by an unlawful act or omission by the accused person; and C, that the unlawful act or omission was actuated by malice aforethought.